So if y'all ain't already guessed what this video is all about, I'm gonna let the cat out the bag. I will be hopefully putting together a PC for my workflow. It's not gonna be an in-depth how to build a PC, but I'll just kind of touch on some things to hopefully help you guys when you do decide to build a PC for your workflow. Before I go ahead and start the build, I'll just kind of just give you guys a quick rundown on the parts that I chose and pretty much why I chose them. So for, I guess the first place to start was like I told you guys, I had originally got the Ryzen 7 3700X, which is an amazing CPU, but I just needed more cores. So I went with the Ryzen 9 3900X as my upgrade piece. Now I would have went with the 3950X, but it was just slightly above my price range. And with my case, I went with the NZS XT510i. It's the one that comes with the LED strip built in and the smart hub. For my motherboard, I went with the Asus TUF X570 Plus with Wi-Fi. I read a lot of good things about this, so I did go with this. I also got custom sleeve cables, and I went with Asian Horse, and I actually love the quality. It's obviously not the most premium, but for this situation it works perfectly and it does give you that premium feel. For my power supply, I went with the Tough Power Grand Thermotake Tough Power Grand series. I went with the RGB series, the 850 watt. It is also 80 plus gold certified, so definitely will help in terms of like efficiency. And I did go with 850 watts just because I personally think it's always good to have more power and not needed versus having less power when you do need it. From my cooler, I will be going with a water cooler. And this probably is a brand y'all aren't too familiar with. Not a lot of people are familiar with this brand. And quite honestly, it was kind of hard to get reviews, but once I started doing my research online and just digging in a little bit into this CPU cooler, it's a AIO cooler. It had really good reviews from the ones that I could find. So it's the Cougar Heller 240. I also went with, let's see if I can get there. So I went with the Samsung 970 EVO plus 500 gigabyte as my boot drive. And then as additional storage, I went with the SanDisk SSD 512 for now at least. For my GPU, my graphics card, I went with the GeForce RTX 2080 Super Founders Edition. Now I know y'all, I'm not an expert at PC building. A couple reasons why I went with this particular brand, especially from NVIDIA, is because first I love the way the Founders Edition looks. I think honestly when it comes to looks, it is premium. Just the simplicity and the elegance of the look, I absolutely love that. And these are actually very hard to find. It seems like everywhere you go they're either sold out or back ordered. I did end up getting it from NVIDIA's website directly, and also it is the cheapest of the 2080 Supers that I could find. And yeah, so that's why I went with that. Please don't crucify me, y'all. I didn't go with a 2080 Ti just because the price difference was just way above my price. It would have been added $500 more to get a 2080 Ti, so I ended up going with that. For my RAM, I did go with the Ripjaws G-Skill 3200. It's DDR4. In hindsight, I probably should have went with 3600, but this board does give you the ability to upgrade it in the future. So in the future, I might either upgrade to 64 gigabytes of 3200 or just upgrade to 64 gigabyte of 3600. But for now, I mean, in my other build, it works great. So that's why I kept this and I did not send it back. But yeah, besides that, let's go ahead and just kind of show you guys just the behind the scenes of the build process. And yeah, let's get it.
Letting you go, I was just letting you know. I know the weather is cold, but you on your own. I ain't no regular Joe, you should've left me alone. I'm in the zone, I'm where the predators roam. We at the Senate in Rome, and I'm on the throne. This ain't no regular poem, this ain't that regular tone, no. Do you follow me, baby? Can you see what I have? Do you like what you see? Do I follow your path? I don't know if I like you, I just know that you bad. Who you driving me crazy? You could drive in that cab. Hop out. If you don't like it, you gotta hop out. Always been a player, never dropped out. Rather cop the necklace before I cop out. She want attention, I play the field with my henchmen. She want me back in detention. I study lessons, I'm in a different dimension. I move in different directions, we playing chess. She just gave me the address, see the lady in the dress. She the lady in my text, see the lady is a test. These days I roll alone, trying to stay the f*** up off the phone. Trying to come the f*** up off the poems, not trying to get cuffed up, cuffs and stones. Playing for keeps, I'm a top gun, she playing the sheets. When the ops come, I play for my team, go play with yourself, stop playing with me. Do you follow me, baby? Can you see what I have? Do you like what you see? Do I follow your path? I don't know if I like you, I just know that you bad. Who you driving me crazy? You could drive in that cab. Pop out. If you don't like it, you gotta hop out. Always been a player, never dropped out. Rather cop the necklace before I cop out. I say this with my chest, I laid a brick on my ex. I had to go on a quest, I had to go and progress. Some it's hard to accept, I know I'll never forget. And it's a bet, I keep my memory fresh, I hope my enemies blessed. Up off the phone, trying to come the f*** up off the poems. Not trying to get cuffed up, cuffs and stones. Playing for keeps, I'm a top gun, she playing the sheets. When the ops come, I play for my team, go play with yourself, stop playing with me. Do you follow me, baby? Can you see what I have? Do you like what you see? Do I follow your path? I don't know if I like you, I just know that you bad. Who you driving me crazy? You could drive in that cab. Pop out. If you don't like it, you gotta hop out. Always been a player, never dropped out. Rather cop the necklace before I cop out. I say this with my chest, I laid a brick on my ex. I had to go on a quest, I had to go and progress. Some it's hard to accept, I know I'll never forget. And it's a bet, I keep my memory fresh, I hope my enemies blessed.